Good morning, investors and traders around the globe. This is Mark, and my blog is dynamitestocks.com and stockpursuit.com. And this is my current watch list that I have going right now. You can see it's not very big. I've got some major indices on here. Oil's right here. Natural gas, the major market, and some oil stocks that are potential shorts here. So I like to look at my first stock here that we have Under Armour, and I am short Under Armour from about 94.52 here on this candle here. And you can see pre-market here we're up a lot. We're up to 96. And this is just a bunch of messy chop right here. There's not much going on that would tell me that I wanted to get long or short, but the fact that we are down and then up a lot and consolidating looks like a bear flag. So that's what I'm betting on, the bear flag. Plus, volatility could return here any minute or any day here. So I was looking at that, and I'm probably going to cover if it hits up to 97, 98. I've got a wide stop on it, a wide mental stop. And I was short Netflix before, covered that for a nice gain. And I'm watching oil. And oil, you can see the triangle consolidation right here. It's a clear flag. And it looks like a bull flag, just looking at it. But you can see here it's down a good bit, and it looks like it could be breaking below that flag pennant right here. So it's very bearish at the moment, and I just kind of want to see how it plays out the next day or two. And this could be a very good trade, either long or short, because it's coming off of this consolidation. So I'm watching that. And natural gas has been just a stubborn vehicle to trade. I traded twice this year. Very luckily, made a profit once. And you can see here, it formed the triangle consolidation, which is a great setup. And it broke below, but it's managed to hold support from right here. And it's holding that support very well right now. And it could go either way. It could go up, could go down from here. The setup, really isn't there for the short because it's down so much. But if it breaks below this, it looks like May, early April, or late April, early May, it could be a very good short. And I'm just basically staying away from it right now, just watching it. And of course, the major indices are in that pennant that I was talking about, that consolidation. My cat just said, hey, my cat came over. She says hi. And the cat's attempting to chew on the cord. And these I'm watching as a short. This is kind of a trading range here that looks like it wants to break down. It looks like it's going lower. So I'd like to short. I like to short more right on this break right here. And what else am I watching? We got China on there. China bouncing very nicely off of this support right here. I mean, it could be a bottom, could be a very long-term bottom, but based on the trend, doesn't look like it. And I have Planet Fitness as a position. Planet Fitness has held up very well considering the market turmoil that's been going on. It did trade off to the low. It's IPO'd right here and then traded off to the same level found a firm bottom right here on this hammer candle. It's a hammer. That's very bullish. And began the next uptrend. And it's uptrending now. And it looks like it wants to go higher. Usually stocks that are holding up so well after an IPO like this they will go higher. I don't really care because I'm in it for the long term. If it goes down to $10, $5, I don't care. And then it's gonna have a good future, as I outlined in a post on Stock Pursuit. So that about covers this morning what I'm looking at pre-market here. This is my trading software that I use. I use Medved Trader. It's created by Jerry Medved. He was the creator of Quote Tracker. Quote Tracker is a very famous software that was around for years and was available on TD Ameritrade. And they eventually stopped doing updates for Quote Tracker, and Jerry Medved went ahead and created his own software, and right now it's free. So I'm using this great software for free. It's available online. If anybody's interested, leave me a comment. I'll post a link to it. And it does everything I need. It has everything I want. It does intraday charts, and I connect it with IQ feed. I got my data through DTN IQ feed, and I've used them off and on over the years. It's very reliable, and I've been using them, and that's pretty much all I need for what I do. And it's got historical charts as far back as you want, and I can draw lines. You can do everything I want to with it. And you can change the colors. I like it like this, like bright. So that wraps it up here this morning. It's Mark with DynamiteStocks.com.